Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit group email in Outlook and add or remove members. This is incredibly useful when you need to update your contact groups, whether you're managing a team, coordinating with clients, or simply keeping your email lists current. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and sync your data. This ensures that all your contacts and groups are up to date and ready to work with. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to navigate to the Contacts section. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find your main menu options. Click on the Contacts icon, which looks like two people standing side by side. This will take you into your Contacts view where all your saved contacts and contact groups are stored. Now that you're in the Contacts menu, take a moment to locate the specific group you wish to edit. This could be any group you've previously created, whether it's for work colleagues, project teams, or any other organized list. Once you've found the group, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options available. From this menu, click on Edit Contact. This action opens up the full editing interface for that particular group. The contact group window will now appear on your screen. This is your workspace for managing who's in the group and who needs to be removed. If you need to remove someone from the group, simply click on their name to select them. Once selected, look at the top menu and click on Remove Member. That person will immediately be taken off the group list, ensuring they won't receive future emails sent to this group. Adding new members is just as straightforward. Click on the Add Member button located in the top menu area. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear presenting you with 3 different ways to add people to your group. You can choose to add members from your address book, pull contacts directly from your Outlook contacts, or even create a brand new email contact right then and there. Select whichever method works best for your situation. Each option gives you the flexibility to quickly populate your group with the right people. After you've finished making all your changes, whether you've added new members, removed old ones, or both, it's crucial to save your work. Click on Save and Close at the top of the window. This action will retain all the changes you just made and update the group immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your group email in Outlook by adding and removing members as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.